You shall therefore obey the voice of the Lord your God, and do his commandments and his statutes, which I command you this day. And the Levites shall speak, and say to all the men of Israel with a loud voice, Cursed be the man that makes any graven or molten image, an abomination to the Lord, the work of the hands of the craftsman, and puts it in a secret place. And all the people shall answer and say, Amen. Cursed be he that sets light by his father or his mother. And all the people shall say, Amen. Cursed be he that removes his neighbor's landmark. And all the people shall say, Amen. Cursed be he that makes the blind to wander out of the way. And all the people shall say, Amen. Cursed be he that perverts the judgment of the stranger, fatherless, and widow. All the people shall say, Amen. Cursed be he that lies with his father's wife, because he uncovers his father's skirt. And all the people shall say, Amen. Cursed be he that lies with any manner of beast. And all the people shall say, Amen. Cursed be he that lies with his sister, the daughter of his father, or the daughter of his mother. And all the people shall say, Amen. Cursed be he that lies with his mother-in-law. And all the people shall say, Amen. Cursed be he that smites his neighbor secretly. And all the people shall say, Amen. Cursed be he that takes reward to slay an innocent person. And all the people shall say, Amen. Cursed be he that confirms not all the words of this law to do them. And all the people shall say, Amen. And it shall come to pass, if you shall listen diligently to the voice of the Lord your God, to observe and to do all his commandments which I command you this day, that the Lord your God will set you on high above all nations of the earth. And all these blessings shall come on you, and overtake you, if you shall listen to the voice of the Lord your God. Blessed shall you be in the city, and blessed shall you be in the field. Blessed shall be the fruit of your body, and the fruit of your ground, and the fruit of your cattle, the increase of your cows, and the flocks of your sheep. Blessed shall be your basket and your store. Blessed shall you be when you come in, and blessed shall you be when you go out. The Lord shall cause your enemies that rise up against you to be smitten before your face. They shall come out against you one way, and flee before you 7 ways. And he shall bless you in the land which the Lord your God gives you. The Lord shall establish you an holy people to himself, as he has sworn to you, if you shall keep the commandments of the Lord your God, and walk in his ways.